Hello, we're going to learn to play a scale called G sharp minor. Now, just a tiny introduction to this. If you take the scale of B major, which you should already know before you attempt this one, when we play B major, we put in 5 sharps. Now, the relative minor of B major is G sharp minor, and I'll show you how we get to it. If we go up to the B and walk back 2 notes, in other words, down a minor third, G sharp, there it is. And so I'm going to put it into the left hand now. So the natural version would basically be, and I'm not going to worry about the fingering too much for a moment now, but it would be all the black notes and the lower white note each time. Something like that. But we're going to play the harmonic version where we have the raised seventh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of F sharp, we're going to play F double sharp. I know that's a bit mind-blowing, isn't it? But if you've got an F sharp and you raise it, you've got to call it, you can't call it G because we've got a G sharp in there as well. So we're going to call it F double sharp. And here's the fingering we're going to use. We're going to start on 3. Now notice you're doing the lower, not the upper, because that's A flat major. G sharp minor takes the lower. Then you take your forefinger over onto there. Then you play an E. And then instead of F sharp, we play the F double sharp, which is basically G, like that. And then you cross your third and do it again. So let me show you that again. So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, 4 over, 3, 2, 1, 4 over. Okay. Now I'm going to try and get this into hands together. Now you know this little weird bit where you go from E to G, the raised seventh. I'm going to call that a crab claw. So bear with me here, I know it sounds ridiculous, but if you imagine crab, these are the crab claws. Now, crabs do not walk over the beach crossing their claws over, like they keep them the right way around. So when they go that way, they go like that, and when they go that way, they go like that. And I'm going to call that crab claws going up, and I'm going to call that crab claws going down. So just try that for me for a sec. So can you do crab claws going up? So basically, do crab claws going up with your left hand, it's the pincers here. You go from the lower one to the upper one. If you do it with your right hand, you go from the lower pincer to the upper pincer. If you do it together, you go like that. Crab claws going that way. That's crab claws going up. Crab claws going down will be you reverse that. If you find yourself going something like that, it's gone wrong. Okay, your crab's fallen over. It needs to go like that. Now, this will make more sense in a minute when we bring this all together. So, the first bit, 3, 2, thumb on B. 2, 3, thumb on B. Okay, so A flat major used to go like that. This one goes like this, with the thumb there. So that's your first bit. Now, you're going to carry on here onto 2 black notes. You're going to bring a 4 over here. And then these notes, now you're going to bring a thumb under here, and here's crab claws. The E's is part of the crab claw, and the G is the top of the crab claw. Then you bring a 3 over and carry on. Thumb on B, 4 over, crab claws going up. And then to finish, your third there and just your second there. So I'll show you that again. So you're going to go 3, 2, thumbs on B, take a moment, bring a 4 over, bring your thumb under on tree and do your crab claws. See the crab claws there? Imagine that note between is a fish that they're getting their pincers. You have to have that white note there. So I'll show you again. Here we go, crab claws, fish in the pincers, then you repeat it again. Thumbs on B, 4 over, crab claws, then crab claws in reverse. Now, did you have the right ones? So that went 3, 2, 1. This one goes 2, 1, 2. Crab claws, and then 3 over. Thumbs on B. Here's the hard bit, 4 over. Thumb under, crab claws in reverse. 3 over, thumbs under. So take your time with that one. You might just want to work on the left hand first of all. And then just bringing the right hand straight over it. Thumbs on B, 4 over. Crab claws, 3. Thumbs on B, crab claws. Sorry, here's the crab claws, that's it. 3 this time, that's one that catches everyone out, so not 4, 3. Thumbs on B, now 4. Crab claws in reverse, 3. Now you could bring a 4 over here if you're carrying on, but we're not, we're just ending, so just go 3, 2. And then remember, as for the others, you need the 4 different versions. Loud, soft, legato, loud, soft, staccato. So here's a quiet legato. Still getting a bit louder at the top. Here's the legato loud. Really bringing it out to the top. Then the quiet staccato. And loud staccato.